Unlocking car talk. Understanding lift kit. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, especially for those of you who are passionate about cars or interested in automotive vocabulary. We are going to dive into the world of vehicle modifications and explain what a lift kit is. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this term and how it's used in everyday English conversations. So, let's get started. Lift kit is a phrase made up of two words, lift and kit. To understand this term, it's important to look at each word separately. Lift, in this context, lift refers to the action of raising or elevating something from its original position. Kit, a kit, is a set of items grouped together for a particular purpose. When combined, a lift kit refers to a set of tools or equipment used to raise a part of or the entire vehicle, usually a truck or SUV, higher off the ground. So, why would someone want to lift their vehicle? There are actually a few reasons. 1. Off-roading. Raising the vehicle provides more ground clearance, making it easier to navigate rough terrains. 2. Aesthetics. Some people prefer the bold, dominant look that a lifted vehicle provides. 3. Increased tire size. Lifting a vehicle allows for the installation of larger tires, which can also aid in off-road performance. There are various types of lift kits available, and they can range in complexity and price. Body lift kits. These kits raise the body of the vehicle off the frame. They are generally less expensive and easier to install but do not provide as much ground clearance as other types. Suspension lift kits. These kits alter the suspension system to lift the entire vehicle. They offer more ground clearance but are typically more expensive and complex to install. And that wraps up our discussion on lift kits. We hope this video has been informative and has helped demystify this automotive term for you. Remember, understanding such specialized vocabulary can greatly enrich your English learning journey, especially if you're interested in cars and vehicle modifications. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.